Hello everybody, in today's guide I will show you how to create a project in Asana. So this is an official Asana guide here, and here you can see how you can create a project. All you have to do is click on the quick add or create button, then you will see the project here. So select the project. A new screen will present you with three options where you can either create a blank project, use a template, or import a spreadsheet. So click on plus in the blank project window to start from scratch. So you can see here, just click this field here, blank project to start from scratch. If you have something to import, you can click this import spreadsheet, but in our case we're gonna do the blank one. Then set up your new project. Once you click on a blank project, you'll be able to fill in your project details, select your layout, choose a project color and icon, and set your privacy settings. So you can see project name, type in your project name, your team, privacy, public to the team. You can make it a list, a board, a calendar, or a timeline. So yeah, from the project details screen you can enter everything what I mentioned now. And yeah, that's basically it, how you create a project in Asana. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.